Hello family, Kevin Cosmo here with another video hoping to help you have higher levels of health and vitality, energy, and joy in this life. This video is one that I needed help with and hopefully helps you as it's helped other clients of mine. This is a tip to master overeating. So if you find yourself often eating mindlessly and uncontrollably, the following steps can help you regain control and master the habit of overeating. The first step is to meditate. Pause everything you're doing, put down your phone, turn off the TV, and place all of your attention on eating. Second step, breathe. Focus on each breath. Identify it, noting, I'm breathing in. Focus on each out breath, identifying it as I'm breathing out. Tune in to how your body feels. Observe the sights, the sounds, the feelings of your surroundings. Next thing, question your hunger. Ask, is my body truly hungry? When was the last time that I ate? Am I eating out of boredom, anxiety, or stress? Is there something else that I can do to work through this emotion? Like a short stretch, a walk, or some exercise. Question your choices. If the body is truly hungry, consider your options. Identify and then select foods that match your health goals and your desired outcomes. Next step, imagine. If you are tempted to eat something that doesn't match your health goals, create a picture of a large yellow dead end sign, obscuring the food, blocking the food, or a yellow caution tape taped over the food. You already know that this candy bar, that fatty processed food, etc. is going to lead you to a place that you don't want to go, and a place that only ends in binges, sick feelings, and dangerous health results. Imagine yourself choosing the healthy option instead. The subsequent great feelings of satisfaction and how great your body will feel afterwards. If you do this, the unhealthy cravings will pass. If you do not, you have to live with the consequences. A minute on the lips, a lifetime on the hips. Eat with awareness. Tune into your senses as you do eat. This is really the most crucial step of all, even if you skipped all the other steps. Do this one, and your diet will improve. Your health habits of eating will guaranteed improve if you force yourself to put down the phone, put everything away, put all of your attention onto this present moment, and be fully aware of your senses and what you're doing in the process of eating. Be aware of every single taste sensation. Be grateful for the taste sensations you get to eat and how your body feels in response to these things. If you're aware, fully grateful, and fully in tune with how the body's responding, over time you're going to continue vectoring towards foods that leave you feeling good, leave your body responding positively. That's it. Those are the only steps you need to do. Be more mindful of when you're eating, and you'll find yourself eating healthily, eating in a way that gets you to where you want to go health-wise, fitness-wise, appearance-wise. It's that simple. I don't want to overcomplicate it for you. So if you have troubles with overeating, come back to this video, go through those few steps, and just be more present with your food. I hope that helps you, like it helped me, and it's like it helped others. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of the High Energy family. Please click that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out, and share this video with people who you might think find this useful. Until the next video, family, live joyously, live passionately, live healthfully. I wish you a long, healthy life.